Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Golf in part exchange. It's quite a high spec one. It's the TDI BlueMotion. It's just literally arrived, so it has got to be cleaned. Just getting a few pictures and videos so you can see it over the holidays. Boot area is quite clean condition. Got the boot parcel shelf there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Car's done 427 miles. Starts perfectly. Got the full media pack here. Got a reverse camera. Satellite navigation, cruise control, climate control, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest. Wait for that navigation, there you go. Full navigation with map. Menu there, touch screen as well. It is traffic. It's got DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth. Very rare to see one of these with sat nav and a camera. All our vehicles are photographed and videoed outside for better light, but they are kept inside for viewing in that indoor showroom at DJH with full dealer facilities. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.